Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
A vlogger's work is never done. I'm just editing a video for my members channel when I interviewed my mate who lived in Thailand, in Pattaya, for around about 10 years. I filmed this just after COVID, but I've never published it because he was swearing a little bit too much. But like I say, he gives an honest opinion of his time in Pattaya. Can't be walking down the middle of the street, ear slippers on, with a beer buzz on, going to get a few more cans of beer. I've fallen off the wagon this week, but never mind. Don't usually shop in the Spa because it's that expensive. $6.50 for 4 cans of Carlsberg. I paid about £4 in Tesco's. So I've got myself some $3.99 cider, a packet of onion rings and a packet of chipsticks. £4 odd. That'll do me. It's freezing out there. I've got my jacket, my big jumper, another jumper and a t-shirt. Absolutely bitter. It's almost mid-March. Where am we, Owen? You got a beer? Oh cheers, get us another can of cider. Shut that door, it's a bit cold in here. Right. Right, so look. Yeah, so cheers. Not opening it for you. Cheers, big ears. I don't know. Now then, I'm tucked up in my little bed. It's freezing out there. The wind's blowing a gale, but I'm doing a little bit of studying of my old Thai. It's coming on. I'm enjoying this now. I don't do it every night, but usually have about half an hour to an hour. Right, look at that writing, terrible, isn't it? Like a 3-year-old's, but getting there. Oh, you can't beat a nice hot shower. I've just had one, look at this, in my room. By Jove. It's like a sauna. Can you see that real light coming through? Look at that. It was snowing last night, but obviously now it's defrosted. But it's still cold out there. Let's hope that this is the last of the bad weather and things start to warm up. I've got into a good habit now, every night, of learning my Thai language. I'm doing a lesson a night and memorising it. The reading, the writing, the sounds and everything. Oh, it's bitter. I came back from Thailand in December. I think it was the 7th of December, and it's now the 10th of March, and I can honestly say that I've been cold every day since then. I've not been really warm. Been a long winter. It's just a case of waiting now until I can find out whether the 45-day entry into Thailand is changed back down to 30. We'll know at the end of this month, in March. So I'm not going to book anything until I know what's happening. Same goes for Bob. Because I'm not going to be messing around trying to go to immigration when I'm over there and extending and whatever. I'm not that keen anymore. Here's a fun little quiz. Can you tell me what the close-up photographs are of these 6 Thai-related objects? I'll put the answers up in 3 or 4 days. Did I tell you I've got a member's site for the price of the pint?
Why you won't make me you?